Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the device off immediately and removing the case, SIM, and any cards. This prevents short circuits. Once done, hold the device with the USB-C port facing down and give a few firm but controlled shakes to let bulk water escape. Make sure you have a microfiber cloth, a can of compressed air on low, and a few desiccant packs or rice available. These steps reduce conductive liquid and set you up for the delicate extraction that follows. Next, remove visible moisture carefully. Use compressed air in short 1 to 2 second bursts from about 2-3 centimeters away to avoid forcing water deeper. Avoid high pressure. Dab the port edge gently with a dry microfiber tip or a cotton swab. Do not insert forcefully, which risks damaging pins. Then place the device in a sealed container with desiccant packs, or use a gentle warm airflow below 40 degrees Celsius for 12 to 24 hours to draw out trapped moisture safely. Finally, after at least 24 hours, visually inspect the port and test charging with a known good cable and charger. Make sure contact is dry and connectors align. If it still misbehaves, swap cables and chargers to rule them out, then repeat drying another 24 hours with fresh desiccant. If problems persist, stop further DIY attempts. Corrosion or bent pins may need professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent charging occurs, do not force connections. That indicates residual moisture or damaged pins needing service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.